Have you ever looked at someone who speaks English fluently and thought, wow, they are so lucky. I wish I had a talent for languages.
Or maybe you tried to speak English, made one mistake, and thought, I'm just not good at this. I'll never be fluent.
If you've ever felt that way, you are not alone. But what if we told you that it has nothing to do with luck or talent?
And everything to do with one simple thing, your mindset.
Today, we'll show you how to change that mindset and in doing so, completely change your English learning journey.
Stay with us.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Aw, thanks, Max. And hello to all of our amazing Englishman friends out there. We are so excited for today's topic.
Absolutely. So by the end of this video, you won't just learn some English phrases, you will learn a new way of thinking, a way that will make you more confident, happier, and much more successful in your English learning.
That's a big promise, but it's true. We're talking about the power of your mindset, specifically the difference between a
Fixed mindset.
and a growth mindset.
Exactly. Now, these might sound like big, complicated words, but they are actually very simple. Let's break them down. Lily, tell us about the fixed mindset. What does that sound like?
Okay. A fixed mindset is when you believe your skills, your intelligence, your abilities are just fixed. They can't change. So you might think, I'm just bad at English, or she's just naturally good at languages, and I am not.
Right. It's like saying, this is who I am. I can't change it. It's a very final way of thinking, and it often comes with some very specific phrases. Let's give some examples. Imagine you get a bad score on an English test. What does the fixed mindset voice say?
I knew it. I'm a failure. I'm just not smart enough for English.
Ouch, that hurts just hearing it. Or when you see someone else speaking fluently, the fixed mindset says,
Wow, they are so good. I wish I was like them.
it focuses on comparing yourself to others in a negative way.
And the worst one, when you make a mistake, the fixed mindset says, this is so embarrassing. I should just give up. I'll never get it right.
So the fixed mindset sees challenges as threats. It sees effort as something pointless. If I have to try hard, it means I'm not good at it. And it sees criticism as a personal attack.
It's a really difficult way to learn, and honestly, a difficult way to live.
It is. Now, let's meet its much, much more powerful cousin, the growth mindset. Lily, the stage is yours.
Thank you. The growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can grow and develop like a muscle. With practice, with effort, with time, you can improve. You are not fixed. You can change.
I love that, like a muscle. So let's take the same situations. You get a bad score on an English test. What does the growth mindset voice say?
Okay, this score isn't great, but what can I learn from this? Which parts did I get wrong? I need to study those parts more. Next time, I will do better.
Yes, it sees the bad score not as a judgment, but as useful information. It's like a map that shows you where you need to go next. And when you see someone else speaking fluently,
The growth mindset says, wow, they are so good. They must have worked really hard. I can learn from them. Maybe I can ask them for advice.
so instead of jealousy, it creates inspiration. And my favorite, when you make a mistake.
The growth mindset says, awesome, I just found a way not to say it. Now I'm one step closer to getting it right. Mistakes are how I learn.
Awesome, I made a mistake. I love that. So the growth mindset sees challenges as exciting puzzles. It sees effort as the necessary path to mastery. And it sees criticism not as an attack, but as helpful feedback.
So let's practice this. We want you to change the words you use, because the words you use can change your thoughts, and your thoughts can change your life. Ready for a little challenge?
Let's do it. Okay, everyone, this is interactive. We're going to say a fixed mindset sentence, and we want you to say, out loud, the growth mindset version. Don't be shy. Say it with us.
First one, fixed mindset. This is too hard.
Growth mindset. This is challenging, but I can try a different way.
Perfect. Okay, next, fixed mindset. I'm not good at this.
Growth mindset. I can't do this yet, but I'm going to learn.
Did you hear that word? Yet. That is a magic word. I can't speak fluently yet. It means the future is open. Anything is possible.
One more. This is a big one. Fixed mindset. I'm afraid of making a mistake. I won't speak.
Growth mindset. My goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. I will try to speak even if it's not perfect. Fantastic. How did that feel? Say in the comments, I am a growth mindset learner. Let us know you're part of the team.
You know, it's interesting. A lot of people think that successful English learners are just gifted.
Right, like they were born with an English gene.
Exactly. But here's the secret. Wait for it.
What's the secret?
Every single fluent speaker you admire was once a beginner who made a lot of mistakes. They didn't just wake up fluent. They built their fluency brick by brick, word by word, mistake by mistake.
That's so true. I remember when I was trying to learn Spanish, I once tried to say I was embarrassed, but I pronounced it embarazada, but I accidentally said I was pregnant.
Oh, no way. See, even the teacher makes huge, funny mistakes, and you survived. You learned the right word, and now it's a great story.
Exactly. That mistake is burned into my brain. I will never forget the word for pregnant in Spanish. So, our mistakes are actually our most powerful teachers if we have a growth mindset.
Okay, let's put this into a real situation. Max, let's do a role play. Oh, I love role plays. Okay, let's set the scene.
Imagine you're at a party and you meet a friendly person from Canada. You want to practice your English, but you feel nervous.
Okay, I'm you, the learner, and I have a fixed mindset. Oh no, a native speaker. My heart is beating so fast, I will sound stupid. I shouldn't talk.
Right. So what happens? You probably stay quiet, you feel bad, and you don't practice.
Now, let's try it with a growth mindset. Same party, same person from Canada.
Okay, this is a great chance to practice. My goal is just to say hello and ask one question. It doesn't have to be perfect. If I make a mistake, it's okay. I can learn.
And then what do you say?
Hello, my name is Max. Where are you from in Canada?
I'm from Toronto. It's nice to meet you, Max.
See? You did it. The conversation has started. It might be short, it might be long, but you tried. And that is a huge victory for your growth mindset.
That feels so much better than staying quiet and feeling nervous, right?
Much better. So your mission this week is to look for one small chance to use your growth mindset. Maybe it's saying one sentence in an online chat. Maybe it's watching one of our videos and repeating the phrases out loud, even if your family hears you. Small steps lead to big changes.
Okay, let's do a quick review before we get to our final thoughts. What are the key takeaways from today?
Number 1, understand the two mindsets. A fixed mindset believes, I can't change. A growth mindset believes, I can learn and improve.
Number 2, use magic words. Change I can't do this to I can't do this yet. Change I'm not good at this to I am learning and improving.
Number 3, see challenges as opportunities, not threats. A difficult English exercise is not a wall. It's a staircase to a higher level.
Number 4, see mistakes as your teachers. Every mistake is a lesson that brings you closer to fluency. Say, thank you for the lesson, to your mistakes.
And number 5, compare yourself only to your past self. Don't look at the person who has been studying for 10 years. Look at yourself from 3 months ago. See how much you have improved. Celebrate your progress.
Wonderful summary, Max. So as we finish up, we want to leave you with this thought. Learning English is not just about memorizing grammar and vocabulary.
It's also about the story you tell yourself. If you tell yourself, I'm a learner, I am getting better every day, and my mistakes help me, then you will enjoy the journey so much more.
You will be less stressed, more confident, and you will ultimately, without a doubt, learn English faster and better.
It truly is a superpower. Change your mindset and you will change your English life.
We believe in you. We really do.
Now, we have a very important call to action for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us one thing. What is one small growth mindset action you will take this week? Will you try to speak one sentence? Will you watch a video without subtitles for 5 minutes? Tell us your plan. We read every single comment.
And for a bonus tip, stay until the very end of the video for a little outtake where Max tries to say a very, very difficult English tongue twister with the growth mindset. Let's just say there were many learning opportunities.
Hey, I was learning. It was a challenge.
It sure was. So stick around for that.
And that's all for today, everyone. Thank you for being such wonderful, growth-minded learners.
Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.